911.
My name is Haley. I live at 3021 Green Valley Drive. My neighbor, 2 houses the stop sign, is out there shooting his 12 gauge just at the neighbors behind us.
And he's shooting at the neighbors?
He was shooting into the air, but we live in a very crowded neighborhood.
1 second here. Just stay inside your house, okay?
Oh, yeah. Nope, I'm in. Yeah, we've got, and there's multiple rounds now.
All right. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, stay inside and be safe.
Walk 2 Sam 72 2 Sam 74, shots plane 3001 Green Valley Drive. 2 Sam 72, I see it. 74, I see it. Copy that, you both see it. Also to advise, we're getting multiple calls on this. Break, welcome 2 Sam 2 and 2 Sam 20. Can you also respond, Green Valley Drive? Sam 2, Linden Airport. 2 Sam 20, 2 Sam 16. Can you head that way as well?
Have we talked to him yet?
No, no one's talked to him yet.
Okay, so that's
Probably a 2-officer contact if we talk to him. Walk and give us the air. I don't know what this guy's name is. Hey Ron, you want to go back in the house? Negative. Why don't you give us the air again? The offending party is coming and going from the door yelling. I don't want to order him out till we get another person. Hey, sir!
Hey, you want to shoot?
No, it's the sheriff's office. Why don't you come out with your hands empty and talk to us?
That's my beer.
Okay, well that's different. Okay. Sheriff's office, why don't you come out and talk to me with your hands empty?
If you're a sheriff, I'll blow your head off. Get the fuck out of here. Tell these people to put the goddamn smoke down, take a ride on the wild side. Hit it.
Drop the gun!
Shut your fucking face.
Drop the gun! Seven, 4 walking.
You dropping it?
Nope. He's back in house.
PC for at least 2 counts of felony harassment. I don't know that he pointed the gun at him, but we got PC, so.
Yeah, he's still yelling at us and
Felony PC.
What do you want now?
Sheriff's office, drop the gun!
Ow! Fuck! Shots fired, shots fired. You okay? Ow! Fuck! Send aid! Shots fired! I'm hit!
7-4 walking.
Sit down. Sit down, Bob.
Hey, give me the air. Shots fired. We have 2 officers hit in the head.
Oh, Jesus. I don't have a whole lot.
Yeah! Yeah, I need aid, but we need replacements.
Yes!
In the head.
We're both hit.
In the head. Both officers.
Hit in the head.
I'm losing vision in my left eye.
Okay. We gotta go this way around and then back.
We gotta go back?
Yeah, to my rig.
What's my rig?
My rig's down there.
Is the exit? No, my car's right here. I can drive.
Yeah, but we gotta get into the fucking car.
I think his truck's gonna block. I'm gonna get in full forward a little bit. You good? You good?
Yeah, I'm covering you. You hold for it.
Hey, what's your name up there at the garage? Is it Cody? Okay, just keep doing what you're doing, okay?
Get in, Bo, get in. Back seat, get in.
Real low.
Oh, it's open.
Roll the window down.
774.
7-2 and I are self-extricated to aid. You can let them know at the fire hall that we're coming in with gunshot wounds.
Copy to meet aid at the fire hall.
Walk to the side one way. Walk to me. Walk to me. Walk to me. Walk here. Walk to me. Walk to me. Do it now. Do it now. Keep walking. On your face. Get on your face. Get on your face. Get on your face. Hands out. Hands out.
I got the house.
Hands out to your side, all the way. Jaron, out of the turret.
You guys are really making a big scene out of nothing.
Keep your taser on him. Kill me.
I'm coming up to the cup. Be good?
Let's go.
Yep. Okay.
Alan, on me.
Do not fight. We're telling you right now, do not fight. Is anybody else in the house? Is anybody else in the house?
Get him up and move him. Sure, what the command. The front door is still open. Don't know if anybody else is inside.
Nothing on you?
Let's get him up and move him. We're hanging out here. Okay, moving.
Holy shit, all you guys are here for me?
Who's got Bodycam?
I do.
I don't have
Could you keep
any.
focused on it?
What, is your car the only one over here?
What's your name?
Joel.
Joel what?
Young.
Joel who?
Young.
Joel Gum?
Young.
You're on Bodycam. Audio and video
It's all good.
Audio and video recorded.
Yeah.
Give me a light.
Listen. Yep.
Yo. Back in the turret ground.
Did I have that in my pocket? Or
Alright,
did you find
it's
out?
6:05
It's all
p.m.
good.
Just listen.
Right here.
I'm listening.
Okay, so you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law.
Yep.
You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer and have
Wow.
him present with you while you're being questioned.
Yeah.
If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you for any question if you wish.
You guys got
You can
nothing to worry about.
decide. You can decide any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Sure, sure.
Okay, thank you.
1806.
Deputy Brown.
Yes.
Put him in Deputy Wood's car and take him.
Yep.
Did we pat him?
You can, but I mean,
Patable.
can I have some shoes?
Where's Wood's car? Right here? Okay.
This is real.
Let's go. What's
wow,
your name?
this is really
What's your
cool. Joel Young. Sure.
Joel, let's go over here.
No, I shouldn't talk to this guy. Why, you gonna punch me in the face? I'll go to jail. No problem. You don't have to drag me. I'm doing. I don't have that. I have nothing. Seriously, I have nothing.
Sit.
Mr. Young, anybody else inside your house?
No. My son wanted to come home. I told him not to come by. I didn't really realize you guys were out here.
Have a seat.
If I did, I would have came out a lot earlier.
I'm right. He did say this is our guy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay?
He said pretty
I'm
sure.
going,
and then
but
you said
you
yes.
can throw me in.
Sit down, please.
I'm trying. I have no shoes on. So I'm standing on rocks, okay? You can shoot me if you want. Alright? Yes, sir. I'm not going to cause you any problems.